The turn or the bike falls over. Pick up your speed. Go ahead. Right from there, Joe. You can do it. Look right. Now look left. Turn your head to the left now, Joe. All the way to the left. Don't look at that opposite side. Now turn your head to the right. Come back here. You don't need 70 feet to make that turn. Right on through. Keep coming left. Keep coming. Keep coming. Now right. Don't be afraid to go around that green cone. I'd rather you go around the green cone and build up your speed than go too slow.